Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and this, if you've read the title, is the cinematic type on-foot review of the AF1B Hong Kong. Shall we go watch it? I'ma get it over in my head. White t-shirt, blue jeans, I can never get enough. Bright sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on, looking at you feeling like I could never, like I could never get enough. And I could never get enough. YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and if you're new to these parts, we do sneaker unboxings, the occasional cinematic on-foot type review, cinematic kind of, and we do sneaker chat on Sundays, SJ there on Sneaker Cam. But did you like that? You know, slightly different to the usual on-foot, I hope you think that. Let us take a look now. So we are, you know, we went through the shoe in the unboxing, and I've had a chance to have it on foot, and I have to say, it's a bit of a stunner. Isn't it, camera two? Like, so let's just look at this again. So we have got that premium tumbled leather. We've got the signature mini swoosh. SJ, Sneaker Cam, let's check out that mini swoosh again. Now that everyone's seen them on foot, everyone can agree that this is a much smaller stitch swoosh. I think that was a first in 2001 when these first came out. Overall, an absolutely solid shoe, and I think, you know, kind of matches what I'm wearing. But yeah, so SJ, get in nice and close. We're going to take a final spin through this. You know, the thing that really draws me to these, and it looks like I've scuffed the toe box ever so slightly already, and I've not even worn them outside. I really love the color of these. This green is such a rich green. It's so nice, and they've really got, I think, by maintaining the same color on the stitching around all the leather panels, it just makes for a really clean colorway. It's so sharp. I think this, I know they described it as Dorado camera too, but this sort of off burgundy, doesn't really have the same ring as off-white, does it? Off burgundy color on the laces and around the padding around the heel units, and obviously the stitching on the end there. SJ, get in there. That stitching is also burgundy. I just think it goes really well. And then obviously for an AF1, classic white midsole and outer sole. It just makes for really sharp outline. In fact, nearly fix up, look sharp. So people, did you pick this up? Did you cop it? I think they're still sitting in places, which surprised me. But then, you know, not everyone is into the AF1 in quite the same way, and obviously there's less hype around this. If this had been an off-white, green type collab, this shoe would have flown off the shelves, but because it isn't, and it's just a standard, it is sitting in places. Definitely worth a pick up. The leather is superb. It smells good. It actually smells like leather. You know how sometimes it's got that gluey smell? That really smells like leather. So yeah, I'm really super stoked with these. I'll be wearing them with black jogger types, maybe black jeans. I think black and this really sets it off. Blue, I'm not so sure on, but the black for sure. Yeah, so not a lot else to say with this. Apologies for the energy levels in some of these videos recently. Been working a little bit too hard recently, and so the energy levels are not there. Appreciate everybody subscribing at the moment. massive thumbs up to you lot out there for really taking the time to subscribe. Massive thumbs up as well to the guys that are commenting regularly now. Really, really appreciate the comments and actually appreciate your opinions, because without you, really, what we do, you know, I do for fun, but without you, you really help to make this channel. So if you haven't subscribed by now and you've got this far, give us a subscribe. If you have managed to make it this far, type Central in the comments and then take a look at why and have a think about why I've said type Central. But yeah, if you made it this far, type Central in the comments. I will know. Big thumbs up to you. If you could thumbs up this video, that would be awesome. And if you are subscribed and you haven't the notification bell, you probably best do that, and there'll be another video on Thursday. And of course, please don't forget streaming Sundays, where there's plenty of sneaker chat and other stuff. Anyway, people, till next time, bye.